Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Marmay here. This week we are doing a lesson on mean, median, and mode. So go ahead and look on the little screen, and I'm going to do a quick review of what mean, median, and mode are, and range. So for mean, what you have to do is you have to add up all the numbers first. Finding the mean is like finding the average. So if I add up my numbers 13, 18, 13, 14, 16, 14, 21, 13, and 13, I add them all up, I get 135, okay? Then I take that number and I divide it by how many numbers there are. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 135 divided by 9 is 15. That's how you find the mean or the average. For the next one, median I always think is the middle number or the one in the middle. So I have to put my numbers in order. You have to remember that if there's two of the same number, you write it twice. So my smallest number is 13. Then I have another 13, another 13, so 4 13s. Then I have 2 14s. The next is 16, 18, and 21. Okay? Then what I do is I take those numbers and I find the middle number. How I always find the median is I just go on each side and cross one off. So I'm going to cross off one from this side and from this side. Then from this side, from this side. Biggest, smallest, biggest, smallest, and my middle number is my median. If you have two numbers in the middle, you'll need to add them and divide by 2. And the last one is the mode. Which number is the most common? So if I look at all these numbers, and I'm looking at the ones that I crossed off, I see 4 13s, 2 14s, a 16, an 18, and a 21. So which one is the most common or which appears the most? You're right, it's 13. And then the last one that I did not write on the board, but we are doing is a range. To find the range of something, that's the range from the biggest number to the smallest number. So I take my biggest number, which is 21, and I subtract my smallest number, which is 13. And that's how I can find my range. So my range between my biggest number and my smallest number is 8. Okay, that was just a quick review. We did that at the beginning of the school year. So now I'm relocating to my desk to show you what your activity is this week. It's really fun because you are going to be doing a escape room. Okay, here is my escape room. It says, instructions. 6 contestants on a reality show were stunned to find their lowest scoring colleague was injured. You must figure out the crime before the end of the day. The question is who done it and how the player, the last known whereabouts, and the method that are unaccounted for is the solution. So basically, you have to go through all of these problems to figure out who the player was, where they last were known, and the method, kind of like playing the game Clue. Okay, here's your first clue. It says, find the mode of these digits. 6, 8, 0, 8, 9, and 8. So let's see. Let me see which one of these numbers occurs the most often. Well, I see 1, 0, 1, 6, 3 8s, and 1 9. So I'm going to put up here in my text, the mode or most common number is 8. So my answer is 8. Then I go back up here and I know that, let me see if I go down here. I think I'm just going to keep that as 8 till I get to the end. So I know the victim was not injured by a cougar. Let me go back up here. Cougar. Oh, cougar attack, not that. So I'm going to click right here and say no, or put an X. Okay, number 2. Find the median. So I look through all these numbers and find the middle number. Cross off from one from this side, cross off from this side, cross off from this side, cross off from this side. Keep going until you find the middle number. Once you find that, you read the clue, go back up, and cross that off. After going through all these clues, you will find out what happened. You need to write a few sentences to say the conclusion. So it's kind of a short one, but it's a fun reminder of mean, median, and mode, which you should have been doing last week on Khan Academy. The second activity you have this week is a mean, median, mode, and range quiz. It says fill in the blank with the word that makes the sentence true. So this is a 1, 2, 3-page quiz for you. 4-page quiz for you to do. We're going to make a copy of both of these and put them in your Google Classroom. And you also have to do some more Khan Academy this week. So have fun figuring out who done it. All right. Thanks.